Si Donya. Donya. Si birthday girl. Hi.
It's you.
Dali, i-video natin yung buong Qatar.
Okay, Mommy.
This is Qatar. Look at Qatar. Welcome to Qatar. I'm gonna show you how Qatar looks from this
Mommy, it was not
view.
Mommy.
Ha?
It was not
Post mo sa
videos ko.
yeah, sa videos mo. Wow, from here we are in Tawar Mall, and Tawar Mall shows all of Qatar, and this is Villadio. See,
If you live in Qatar, you would probably know what this looks like. If you are very high. And you have a window.
Asan ang bahay ni Margo?
Yung may building number 7. Ay, yung gana building. Itsura. Yun yung may building number 7. Ayun. Building number 7.
That's Qatar.
Mommy, can I
Di ba
come
po
in?
yung
Okay.
square? Building number 7. Kasi wala pa na signal.
This is
Yung,
zoom
ano
in,
bang tawag
this
doon?
is zoom
Yung may
out.
open?
This is zoom
Yung may
in.
Radisson Blu.
How about this one?
That's
Wow.
Mga building eh. Kaya ba kasi yung sura nila eh?
No.
Hindi kita office ni Mami. Dito office ni Mami. Dito office.
Look at the whole Qatar. Mommy, lean upside ko for 1 second, okay? Lean upside. Mommy, here you go. Hi.
hindi ako na-videohan.
Tayo ka dito, no?
Sa video, ano?
Ano gagawin mo?
Ka-video ka.
Tayo mo siyempre. Tapo lang.